A stunning exterior setting featuring a sleek, modern outdoor kitchen, bathed in warm, golden natural light. Join us on this crafting journey and be inspired to bring your artistic vision to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. With a subtle blend of lush greenery and contrasting neutral tones, showcasing 10 diverse design concepts for the modern home, with each kitchen uniquely styled and furnished. Some featuring sleek, stainless steel appliances, while others boast rustic, reclaimed wood accents, and some incorporating vibrant, bold color schemes, with varying layouts, from U-shaped to L-shaped, and some with expansive countertops, ample seating areas, and decorative pendant lighting, surrounded by an inviting alfresco dining space, complete with plush outdoor furniture, and a sprinkle of potted plants, while a few kitchens showcase statement pieces, such as a pizza oven, outdoor heaters, with clean lines, minimal ornamentation, and an overall sense of sophistication and functionality.